You ever coughed until you vomited? Because I have, and I mean, I did today, I did last night, and it's pretty damn common for me. So, well, that's the reason why I'm making today's video, because I couldn't do one last night. So I have this phlegm or mucus in my throat pretty much all the time, and it feels, I have this like heaviness and this feeling of like kind of closure, like pretty much, especially like down here and in my lungs and in my throat. And when I cough, I bring up a lot of mucus, and there are quite a few times where I cough so much that I throw up. And I really don't like that at all. It's quite an uncomfortable feeling. It's uncomfortable, I'm sure, for my spouse. He says it's not, but I mean, it's gotta be, right? But I've only, I've looked around, and it seems like, there's a couple people that I watch on YouTube that it's happened to as well. So, it's not like I'm the only one that it happens to on quite a daily basis. So that's kind of nice. It's a feeling of you're not the only one, and that's really good. But at the same time, it's kind of an awful feeling because nobody wants to throw up, and nobody wants to cough so hard that their stomach empties, which sometimes, you may have taken your medications and you start coughing not too long after, and you throw up everything, and suddenly you're in for a really rough night because you can see your medications in the bin, and you can, count them, and you can see most of them or all of them. So you know that, oh, there's the Cymbalta, I'm gonna have facial pain tomorrow. There's this, so I'm not gonna sleep. So I really wish that this would go away. But realistically, I do have a lot of breathing trouble and lung trouble, with lung compression feelings and pain, and a lot of mucus, phlegm issues. And when I cough, a lot of the time, when it gets bad, it kind of sounds like a croup cough, like from what you hear from kids a lot when they get croup. But it's, I don't know, I think I already said it, but it's not pleasant. But the funny thing is, it doesn't really make me sad at all. It's kind of upsetting because I'm worried about upsetting other people. I'm worried about upsetting my spouse, but he doesn't get upset by things, which is absolutely amazing. He's probably the most patient person in the world, I swear. He is so comforting, and he's wonderful. He is supportive, and if he hears me coughing like crazy, and I can hardly catch a breath, he'll come from his office and make sure I get my inhaler. Like if I'm coughing so hard I can't even think to grab it. He's just amazing. But he'll come upstairs or come from his office just to make sure I'm okay. And even if I've had quite a few cough attacks that day, he still comes. So anyhow, but I just kind of wanted to do a regular update and chat today because I didn't get to do a video last night because I got really sick from the coughing, and I've had a lot of issues uploading videos. So hopefully that will all resolve itself, and hopefully this video can get up real soon. And I have some footage of some cooking from earlier today, which I will put up either later tonight or tomorrow. So have a great night, everybody, and I will see you again later. Bye!